Hi friends, welcome back to another video of MiniatureDiecast. So today we have one of my personal favorite car from the entire 2025 Hot Wheels mainline castings, the Datsun 240Z in this beautiful pink livery. So you can check out the car inside the package and the card art. So I got this as a MRP of 179, and back of the package you can see manufacturing details and import details. So let's unbox the car. So let's keep the car aside and check the card art. So the card art itself, it's really amazing. You can see the painting quality is very good. Hot Wheels always make me surprised in this card art of mainline cars. So let's keep the card art aside, and here it is, our car. Wow, so out of the package it is looking more beautiful. So let's start from the paint job. So this one is, you can say, glossy pink finish with this beautiful blossom designs over the hood and both of the side of the car. Amazing. You can see so much of details over here and in front of the hood. So the combination of the color is very good. We can see, I don't know why the T is over at the top. If you know, you can let me in the comment. But the color combination is very good and the paint job is really fine. So we can see completely white interior and this bluish windshield and the back of the car over here. In front we can see the grille details is embossed. I wish they paint it. It will be more beautiful if it is painted. Headlight details are there which is embossed but not painted properly. Back of the car we can see no tail light details. Okay, the wheels are really good and amazing looking in this kind of blue chromed, and they're rolling very well. So I got this car because the paint job and the livery, it is looking very amazing. So I thought to keep this in my collection. So if you can find one of these, please go and grab it. It is so beautiful. So the entire body is made of metal and the chassis itself is made of plastic. So you can see some amount of details over here. Okay, here we have a dual exhaust and we can see drive shaft and other manufacturing details. So let's do a roll test. Amazing, it is rolling fine, very smooth. So the cherry blossom add a clean Japanese aesthetic that gives the car a classic vibes. So that's why I thought to keep this car in my collection. So the fun fact about this car is the real Datsun 240Z was known as the sports car that changed the world because it's delivered Porsche level performance at a much cheaper price. That's why it's earned a fierce nickname in Japan, the Devil Z. So don't let the pink color fool you. This little Z is a beast at heart. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our MiniatureDiecast channel, and we will unbox more beautiful cars like this. Stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.